directly on my Telegram, Izang30. Yeah. I don't look pretty na, guys. Sorry about this. Yeah. That's my background. Hi, guys. Sorry about my thumbnail. That was last time picture. I don't have picture. Look at me, guys. Slim and beautiful. Charets. Hi, guys. Shout out to all my viewers. I'm finally back. You know, I didn't do live a month ago. I don't know. If you want to message me privately, just send me on my PayPal. My PayPal is on my page. Yeah, you can message me there. Bubu Abra. Yes, I have. Don't comment like bra bra because YouTube buburahin talaga ni YouTube yan. Hi, welcome to my live. Shout out to all my viewers. Welcome to my live. Hi, guys. I'm finally back. Look, guys. My other phone. Sira. Oh my god. Sira. It's broken. Broken siya, guys. Uy. Yan, like that. Hi guys, shout out to all my viewers. Welcome to my live. Saglit lang tayo mag-live, guys. Okay? Bukas mag-live ulit ako. Yan. Araw-araw na tayo magla-live. Ay, hindi. Gabi-gabi. Yan, ganun. Kaso, minsan kasi maingay dito, guys. Minsan madaming tao, minsan walang tao. Kagaya ngayon, walang tao, di ba? Kaya nakapag-live tayo ng maayos. Tsaka, kaya ako nawala, guys, kasi na-busy ako, guys. Nagtrabaho ako. Yan. Nagtrabaho ako, guys. Kaya na-busy ako. So, gusto nyo mawala to, guys. Yan na, ha. Yan, wala na, ha. So, wala na sila, guys. Hi, shout out to all my viewers. Welcome to my live. Don't forget to subscribe me, guys. Yeah, babangon ulit tayo kasi yung YouTube ko talaga, guys, nag-down talaga siya. Dumown talaga siya kasi nga hindi na ako nakakapag-upload masyado. Pero may mga video naman ako, guys. Hindi na ako nakakapag-edit kasi nga na-busy sa trabaho. Busy sa work. Yeah, ganon. Mag-upload ulit ako by this September, guys. Mag-umpisa ulit tayo mag-upload. Marami na akong video, guys. Naipon lang talaga siya. Naipon siya. Hi, guys. Welcome to my live. Shout out to all my viewers. Welcome to my live. Wala nyo, guys. How old I am na, guys. How old I am. Makahula. Hulaan nyo, guys. Oh, makeup, guys. Something to learn and see.